With the holiday season just around the corner, it's the perfect time to create and promote your Christmas books on KDP. There are lots of Christmas themed books you can create, including activity, craft, and puzzle books. In today's video, I'll show you how to design stunning colouring books that will fly off the KDP shelves. I'm going to take you through 4 resources with a free bonus tool that you will just love. So stick around to learn more about this free tool. So the 4 resources I'll be talking about are 1. Creative Fabrica. Now, I've talked about Creative Fabrica in previous videos. Creative Fabrica is a comprehensive design platform offering a vast library of high-quality design resources, including illustrations, patterns, and fonts. Creative Fabrica caters for various budgets with both free and premium resources and provides a user-friendly interface for easy navigation. The second resource is Fiverr. Once again, I've mentioned Fiverr in previous videos. Fiverr is a popular freelance marketplace where you can find and hire talented artists to create custom colouring book designs. Fiverr offers a wide range of price points and a user-friendly platform and a rating review system, making it easy to find reliable artists for your project. And number 3 is Upwork. Upwork is a platform for hiring freelancers, including graphic designers and illustrators, to create custom colouring book designs. Upwork offers a range of price points and a user-friendly platform with a rating and review system, making it easy to find reliable artists for your project. And lastly, number 4, Midjourney is an artificial intelligence-driven design platform. Midjourney provides a user-friendly interface for easy navigation and offers both free and premium resources, catering to various budgets. So let's go through each of these resources. So starting with Creative Fabrica, it's a great place to find resources for your colouring book. As you can see, you can go onto Creative Fabrica, put in a search, and it will bring back lots of designs that you can choose from. And when I say lots, there is a ton of Christmas material here, which can be easily turned into a children's colouring book. Just a matter of finding the artwork that suits the style you're looking for and downloading. Now, there is a free account, however that's very limited, so you will need to sign up to access many of these resources. As I mentioned, Fiverr is another platform. There are various artists on Fiverr who can create colouring book interiors for your Christmas books. Just a matter of going through Fiverr and looking at the work that's been showcased and then selecting the artist who you like. It can be hit and miss trying to find the right artists for you, and sometimes the work is not up to standard or it's too expensive. Similar to Fiverr, we have Upwork. Similar platform where you choose an artist to do the work for you. You employ them to create the artwork for your colouring book. Once again, you have to find the artist that suits your requirements and your budget. So let's have a look at Midjourney. So as you can see here, I'm using the prompt Simple Line Art, Full Body, Elf Christmas Theme Colouring Book, Character Sheet Black and White. And it's brought back some elves. I've just changed it to Simple Line Art, Full Body, Elf Christmas Theme Colouring Book, Black and White. And Midjourney has brought back 4 characters. Quite an interesting selection. I like the second one here, so I'll upscale the second one. And I can use that in the colouring book. So I can download that now to my computer. And now I'm going to take you over to the free bonus tool. Now this tool is called Pencil Sketch. And as you can see, I've uploaded my elf here. And because I want to use it in a colouring book, I don't want all the grey. So by using Pencil Sketch, I can remove the grey. And once I've done this, I can now download the image again, which can now be used in my colouring book. It's a much better image for use in a colouring book, as it gives you more areas to colour in, as opposed to the greyed out areas in the original image. Now, the prompts that I've used in Midjourney, I will leave in the description below so you can use them and try for yourself. Just a matter of trying different things to see what Midjourney can bring back. It can be quite interesting. Sometimes it brings back some strange art, but generally it is pretty good. And I'll show you shortly a selection of artwork that I have downloaded using Midjourney. The bonus tool, Pencil Sketch, is free and I'll leave a link to that also in the description below. The Pencil Sketch is a free program. I'm going to demonstrate it to you again by uploading another image, this time a reindeer, from my collection, and how quickly you can convert it into line art for use in your colouring book. Isn't that just simple? You can now download that, and it's now suitable for use in a colouring book. So here are all the images that I have downloaded using Midjourney. There's quite a selection here, and this was just by changing the prompt slightly, introducing different characters into my prompt to see what Midjourney would bring back. Now I can upload all these into Pencil Sketch to remove the grey area and make them more colouring book friendly. It's just a matter of building up your catalogue through Midjourney until you have sufficient images to create a colouring book. Now I'd like to demonstrate how to create a book cover with Midjourney. So the prompt I'm using here is full colour, colouring book cover, Christmas theme, snowman, cottage, carol singing. And it brought back 4 images of a snowman outside a house with snow. All the images were suitable, but I like this one here, which I can use for my book cover. So I've upscaled it, and now I'm going to save this to my computer. It's just a matter now of taking this image over to Canva or BookBolt to create my book cover. So I'll save the image to my computer, and it's ready for me to use. So Midjourney is a great way to create images for your colouring books. Not only the interior, but also the front cover. If you're not using AI, give it a try. You will be surprised. Now, Amazon KDP have changed their policy. They do now have a section when you create your book to tell them what AI you have used. KDP have not stipulated that you cannot use AI in your book creation. They just would like to know what you have used. It's just a matter of being honest when you're publishing your book with KDP. I suggest you watch this video to learn more about using Midjourney for creating children's books. I hope the options I have provided you in this video help you decide the best path for your Christmas colouring book project. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe to Wombat Coaching for more tips and tricks on earning online. Thanks again for watching, and happy illustrating. I will see you next time.